I almost died. Like, I had very big luck. I actually had a friend on the same bike, so I also feel very guilty for that. But then I realized I don't really want to work for anyone, so I wanted to build something for myself. You don't get money from Instagram, you get money from YouTube. For my channel, I only earn like... Hi guys, it's Alicja, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do something different, because today I'm not going to show you any drawing techniques, anything related to drawing really. Today we're going to talk about me, which I don't mind. I'm a Leo. Someone commented on one of my videos to do this, and I felt like maybe it's a good idea because you don't really know much about me. So I asked you guys on Instagram, and some of them are pretty interesting, so let's just begin, shall we? Okay, so this one says, what's your MBTI personality type? I am, which I actually don't know, because I have been INTP, I think, but the last time I checked, I am an ENTP, which can be kind of right, like between those two, although they are quite different. Because I'm an introvert but also an extrovert, and since I am pretty lonely nowadays, I feel like I have a more need to people. No, I have a bigger need to talk with people, and maybe that's why it came out as ENTP, but both INTP and ENTP kind of fit me, so maybe it's, I don't know, something in between. I do feel like an INTP a lot. I am. I think. Someone asked, sleep or eat? I hate sleeping. I hate sleeping a lot because I always have very... Oh, Siri, shut up. I always have very or scary or real dreams. I have a lot of dreams, and I kind of don't like it because you don't really have a control over it. For example, today I dreamt that I was in some kind of weird Hunger Games world. Not really Hunger Games though. It was like there was a lot of apocalyptic events, and there were a lot of people dying, and every time something happened, like for example there was a tsunami, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna die, and in a dream you really think it's happening, so I really thought I was going to die for like 5 times in one dream. So I don't really like to sleep. I always try to sleep as late as possible because I'm kind of scared of sleeping, which is not really good. I'm working on it. I hope I will have this figured out pretty soon. I will try to not really answer any questions about drawing because I have a lot of tutorials and a lot of other times I can't answer those questions. So, favorite music artist? I don't really have a favorite, although last times I really enjoy listening to Grimes. It's like my vibe for last few days. I really love her music. But I do listen to very different music styles. How many commissions do you receive per day? I don't do commissions. I don't. So I could do commissions, but I'm more invested in my YouTube channel, my website, my Instagram. Like doing those things is already a full-time job, so I don't do any commissions. I can make a video about like how do I earn a living as an artist if you want. I can do it once. Why you never draw profiles? Or maybe you do and I just didn't see. I don't really, because I did sometimes in the past, but it's just kind of boring. I feel like a drawing of this. Like what can you do with it? Absolute favorite art supplies or tools? My brushes. You can get them on the website. My brushes are basically the sponsor of every video. Are you a part of LGBTQ community? I'm an ally and I'm not gay. I'm cis. I don't say I don't like girls. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm bi. I just never tried it out yet. How has been your experience on YouTube so far? Pretty nice. I think I have been on YouTube for a really long time, so I'm growing pretty slowly, but I'm getting there. I'm just gonna keep doing it because I like it. So, how does your workplace look like? It's pretty nice when it's clean. I'll show you a picture right here. This is my workspace, which is going to change because I'm moving pretty soon. Someone asked, jesteś z Polski, and that means, are you from Poland? And yes, I am. This is a question a lot of people are asking because my accent is kind of weird and not really Polish, not really Dutch. I do speak Dutch because I lived in the Netherlands for 9 years, since I was 12 until I was like 20, so it's actually 8 years. Yeah, something like this. Do you speak any other language? Yes, I just answered that. I do speak Polish, I speak Dutch and English. Which of those three, I feel like Polish is the language I speak the best, but there is a problem with me because I don't think I was meant to be trilingual, if that's what we call it. Like bilingual would be nice, but I feel like I'm pretty good with accents, like I catch on accents pretty well. Like in English, I know you can judge it yourself, but I feel like I can mimic most of the words pretty well. Like it's not such a big issue for me, and I learned Dutch accent also pretty well. Like Dutch people who are watching this, you can judge for yourself. Stroopwafel. Ik ben naar de bioscoop gegaan en ik heb een hele leuke film gezien. My Polish accent is obviously good, but people still think I'm a foreigner, although I'm actually Polish. But anyway, back to my point. I catch on accents pretty well, but I don't have enough space in my head to hold all the words. So I don't know a lot of words in all of those languages, like English, Polish and Dutch. I have to think about words all the time. It happens so often that I just don't know a word in both languages, and then sometimes in all three languages, and I just, my vocabulary, my box of words is pretty poor. For a person that speaks 3 languages, I don't think it's a lot. What's your age? I'm 21 and I'm turning 22 pretty soon in August. Would you like to live somewhere else than Poland? No, I actually moved from the Netherlands to Poland because I like Poland more. Nothing against the Netherlands, it's just my preferences about the weather and this kind of stuff. I would want to, but I have my friends here still from before I moved to the Netherlands, also my family, and if I want to go somewhere I can just travel, so I feel like I don't really have a need to move away from my motherland. No. I love your accent, it always makes my day. Thank you. I try to appreciate my accent too, although my tongue is very tired after some time of speaking in English because it's a gymnastic it's not used to do. I'll just answer some extra questions I'll ask myself because I feel like you still don't know a lot about me. Yeah, and I feel like you need to because I'm so interesting. What are some questions I got in the past? Let's see. What's your height? I'm 5 feet 5 inches or 6 inches, 172 centimeters. Do you have ADHD? Yes. Okay, so there's one, before your Insta page, what job did you want to do? Oh, when I started my Instagram page, I was actually 17, so I did know I want to draw or do anything creatively. I just thought I would become a graphic designer or something. But then I realized I don't really want to work for anyone, so I wanted to build something for myself. Like I did have 3 jobs. I worked since I was 16. What's your favorite book series? I think it's definitely the Delirium, Pandemonium and the Requiem. I don't know how it's called, you can just search it up, but it's my favorite. I don't really read a lot of books by now. I think it would be like maybe 20 or 30 books in my life, like for my own will. In school I did read books. I don't remember anything from them because I didn't like to read them. If I don't do something of my own will, I will not remember it, I will not learn from it, I will hate it, and I will get angry. And that's why I'm a freelance artist, because I am unable to do anything I'm not interested in, which connects to ADHD. What are your favorite colors? I think I'll just show you right here. I have a very exact color. That's my favorite. I do have more colors I like, but this one is just like my favorite. Yeah, I have a favorite color. There's one I wanted to answer. Is your full-time job to work with YouTube/Instagram, or are they just a hobby? Girl, Instagram doesn't pay you for anything. You don't get money from Instagram. You get money from YouTube. For my channel, I only earn like $400 a month, so that's not enough to live. But it's not a hobby. It's really my job now. So it would be nice if Instagram paid me. Like, I feel like artists, they should be paid. They keep a big community alive, like artist community. So I am asking for a payroll. Instagram, you know what? I will search up some questions, and just because you guys don't care about anything besides my drawings, which is unacceptable. Have you ever met someone famous? I see myself in the mirror every day. No, actually not. I don't know. I didn't. I have been to a concert, but that's not really meeting anyone. Yeah, I didn't. Would you like to be famous? Well, of course, because I love attention and the money, and well, that's about it. I would not really want to be famous. I would want to be famous for like a day in a week. Like one day I'm famous and then suddenly everyone forgets about me. Other than that, no, actually not. I want to have my small community of artists, and that's it. If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? Well, I would ride my bike more carefully, because I was involved in a car accident. I was hit by a car when I was riding a bike. So that's probably something I would change, because the thought of me I almost died. Like, I had very big luck. I actually had a friend on the same bike, so I also feel very guilty for that. I don't feel guilty, and I don't feel like I'm here by chance, but I actually kind of bigger chance was that I would die than not. So that would be nice to not have that. Do you like scary movies? Yes, I like scary movies, but I don't really get scared that easy. Although tonight there was a storm, and actually I'm not afraid of storms at all, but it woke me up because it was so damn loud. I woke up like this. What the fuck? Do you like spicy food? Yes. Yes, I'm a big fan of spicy food. I probably eat more spicy food than an Indian. You probably can't really give me anything that you ate. I can't eat because it's too spicy. I'm probably the best spicy eater you know. Probably not, but let's believe that because I want to. If you know anything that's very spicy, let me know, because I love that. I love the pain. Have you ever cheated on an exam? Yes, I have, and I think everyone has, so it's a very boring question. Have you done any cosmetic surgery? No, but I'm considering doing Botox in my freaking forehead because my eyebrows are dancing when I speak, and I already have wrinkles, and I'm 21. So I better do it pretty quick before they are there forever. What's a useless talent you have? I can do this with my face. An alpaca. And I can guess almost any color by RGB values. Okay guys, so I think it will be all. Okay, so we're going to wrap up. I'm going to say bye to you because there's nothing more I can talk about. But I have a story that I want to tell you, and I was considering making a story time about the time I literally got a message from a ghost, which is like touchable. I got a physical thing together with my friend after trying to contact ghosts. Anyway, if you want to hear my ghost story, which is pretty damn crazy and 100% real, I would not lie to you. You know, in the comments, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. So thank you guys for watching, love you so much, kisses, bye bye.